Bola Vinaka. Bola. Bola.
Minister Matobe.
Bola Vinaka. Bola.
Ambassador DRC,
Bola.
Boula.
Bola, everyone.
Very good morning.
Prime Minister.
Bola.
Thank you.
Please.
Completely this letter that we are.
Okay.
I want to congratulate you on your elevation as the just thank you.
Thank you.
One moment, because it's for you. This is Dominican coffee.
Oh, coffee. Oh, Dominican coffee. No more, nobody else in it. But thank you.
I'll be back in Fiji after this to discuss all that we have around the table.